in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rap too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in and some picture, bro. They look bro, hit this dick and start getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Juice follow my the light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Again, hit after he call me very much. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Plus and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof off the call it up for the sun. I'm gonna see it drop by 5,000 months. Got this bitch off the collar, she sucking and swallow. This life for right now. This life for right now.
What's goes poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Golden Baby. I'm back with a video. So today's video, as y'all can see by the title, y'all don't mind. I know I look a little mess. So today's video, as y'all can see by the title, I'm finna go get my hair done. So this video is gonna be days of my life vlog or week of my life vlog. I don't know yet. So I'm about to go get my hair done right now. So yeah, my hair appointment is at 3, but it's at 3:30, but right now it's 2:04. So I'm about to go to the store and buy me some hair and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm so excited for getting my hair done because these past couple of weeks I've been looking not again. And it is so cold, y'all know I have to double up, you know. But without further ado, I'm gonna see you when I get to the store. Okay, as y'all can see, I just got my hair done, y'all. She did so good. Like, she did blonde and black. So, it's so cute, y'all. Like, I really love it. You feel me? But it took me a minute, though. I'm not gonna lie. But now I'm about to go to the airport. We're gonna go pick up my cousin. So, yeah. I'm so excited, y'all. She's coming to visit for the New Year's and... So yeah, she's coming to visit for the New Year's, y'all. I am so excited, like, you know. But I still got like a lot of times. We still got so much time because she's coming here at 10. And right now it's like 9, so 9 o'clock. So, you know, yeah, the sun is hitting good. So yeah, I'm gonna get to y'all when we go and pick up her from the airport. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to share and post notification every time when I upload a video. You don't miss out, and y'all stay tuned, y'all. I can't stop touching my hair. Like, every time when I get my hair done, I always be touching my hair. I don't know why, but yeah. And y'all, today's Thursday. Friday there's gonna be a lot of things. Yeah, Friday we lit for sure, cause my cousin, her birthday is coming up soon, and she throwing a little birthday party and whatever. So we just go, you know. But yeah, y'all just, all I gotta say, y'all just stay tuned for all of it. You feel me? So yeah, I didn't really do too much today, cause all I needed to do was to get my hair done. Like, I really needed it, and she did her thing. Like, period. She did her thing. So yeah, y'all just gotta stay tuned, and you feel me? Like. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, like, for real. Y'all stay tuned. I'm coming hard. Like, 2023 is all, I'm coming hard, you feel me? All I gotta say is y'all just stay tuned. We're not gonna speak on it, period. So y'all go ahead and follow me on all my socials so y'all can stay updated. And I'm gonna see y'all when we go to the airport, period. Like I said, today I'm not doing too much. Like, you know, I was just running around getting my hair done, and it was rainy, and now the weather is kind of good. The sun is out. This weather is just bipolar as well, because how is gonna go from rainy, snowing to a sunny? Like, make sense for real. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to you probably tomorrow or probably later on. Love you guys so much. Big Golden Baby shit, not the motherfucker little one. You feel me? So I'm gonna talk to y'all later. So now I gotta wash my face, brush my teeth, and then go to my cousin's house because we're about to go shopping and stuff. So yeah. Okay, yo, I just got dressed, so now I'm about to go to my cousin's house. By the way, I got a cat, y'all. Y'all meet my cat. Not with me. Y'all meet my cat, y'all. Her name is Shia. Fuck. Yeah, say hi to them. Talk to them. That's my baby. Y'all, she is so cute, but she jump on people like, are you okay? Ah! Stop crying for what? He wants to get off so bad. That's my baby. Yeah, now we're about to go to the mall, so I'm gonna get to you when we get to the mall. Bye. Halima. Oh. Oh wow. Bro, the lighting is actually okay. I know, right? Yeah, we made it to we made it to the mall, but the music is playing, so I'll talk to you guys after. Small eyes. But yeah, guys, we just went to that one store. We got some lashes. Now we're about to go eat. We're so hungry now. Why am I so far away from you? Yo, we are zooming. The music is
Oh, shit, did that. Wait, what time are you coming? 5?
Play more. I don't know why the music is playing. Yeah, we're just partying hard. I wish I could record for you guys, but the music, y'all can hear the music. Y'all see, like, we've been lit all day, y'all. It's not like for real.
Since 5 o'clock.
I swear, like, we turned the fuck up. I told you guys Friday will be so fun, but tomorrow too. I know. I wish I could record for you guys, but the music. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Yo, we're skating tonight. But yeah, she's scared to skate, but she can skate so skate like that. But we're just gonna see how it goes. So yeah,
We're gonna have fun tonight. It's gonna be fun.
So we'll talk to you guys later. Yeah, dude.
The skate floor is the only time you're allowed on the floor without a skateboard and your scooter.
I haven't skated in a long time, so we're gonna see how this shit goes. Even though I haven't skated for a long time, this shit's funny. It's going so good so far. Yeah, my cousin is so scared. Like, she's scared. Yo, my cousin's scared. Like, it's not even that scary. Yo. Yo, I just come here. We're done, yo. We had so much fun, but we're about to go somewhere now. So we'll talk to y'all later. We're not done. We need to get lit, period. So, but we had so much fun though. It was so hot in there. I know, like it feels so good out here, but it was so cold. It was so hot in there.
We actually did have fun.
On go, we did.
Yes.
Even though,
Fell twice.
yes, I fell twice, bro. Cause I was going too fast. Like I was like, let me just not say. But I'll talk to you guys later.
Move back. Everybody back. Nobody ain't moving.
What's good? What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl, baby. I'm back with a video. So this is probably 2 weeks, 1.5 or 2 weeks later. Y'all, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I just got back home from washing my car and everything. So I think me and my cousins are going out tonight. So I might vlog for you guys, but I don't know yet. So yeah, don't mind the background noise, y'all. But I just wanted to let y'all know that it's the end of the video. I guess if I don't vlog today, then this gonna be the end of the video. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog, even though it was everywhere. Like, you feel me? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on post notification every time when I upload a video. Y'all don't miss out. And big garden baby, not the motherfucking little one, period, y'all. I love you guys so much, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Like, y'all peep the outfit though. I got this 2-pack shirt on, and I got some ripped jeans on. Super cute, y'all. But yeah, today we're not doing too much. We're just gonna go out, and yeah, the weather is not that bad. It's not raining or snowing, so we good. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all later.